Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the double slip stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the slip stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you can make any number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, we're going to immediately start making double slip stitches. You're going to make your first one into the third chain from your hook. Yarn over your hook one time, insert your hook into that chain, grab your yarn, pull it through, pulling up one loop. You have 3 loops right now. The loop that you just brought through that chain, you're going to take that loop through the other 2 that you have on your hook to complete that double slip stitch. So again, you're going to yarn over your hook, insert your hook into the next chain, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop. You're going to take that same loop you just pulled up through the other 2 loops on your hook to complete that double slip stitch. Again, yarn over your hook, insert your hook into the next chain, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up one loop. Take that loop you just pulled up through the other 2 loops on your hook to complete that double slip stitch. You're now going to repeat this, making 1 double slip stitch into each chain across for row 1. So that's 1 double slip stitch into the third chain from your hook, and then 1 double slip stitch into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 1 chain. For row 2, you're simply going to make 1 double slip stitch into each stitch across. It's going to be similar to row 1, we're just working into stitches instead of chains. So again, you're going to make that yarn over one time on your hook. Insert your hook into the next stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop. Take that same loop through the other 2 loops on your hook to make that double slip stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up that loop. Take that through the 2 loops left on your hook to complete that double slip stitch. Yarn over your hook one time, insert your hook into the next stitch, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through, pulling up one loop. You're going to take that same loop through the other 2 on your hook to complete that double slip stitch. Now you're going to continue to make 1 double slip stitch into each stitch across. So that's 1 chain and then 1 double slip stitch into each stitch across for row 2. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. That is going to be how to make the double slip stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.